To set up your Star TSP Bluetooth receipt printer with your iPad, you'll start out by going to the App Store and downloading the Star TSP Utility app. Now, once that app is downloaded, you can access this app to connect the receipt printer to the app itself. But we do need to do one thing before that, which is going to be to connect the Star printer to your Bluetooth settings. So open up your Bluetooth menu, and in Other Devices, wait for the Star TSP printer to appear. Once it does, go ahead and click it, so that way you can connect that device with your iPad. And now, go back to the Star TSP app. Here you'll see the unselected device, at which point you can choose the receipt, click OK in the prompt, and finally, you'll hit Apply in the lower right-hand corner. Now, if you go to Ricochet Consignment and go ahead and log in, now go ahead and go to Preferences, then to Mobile, and click Find Printers in the upper left-hand corner. After a few seconds, it should see the printer, and now you can set two additional settings, either to have the receipt automatically print, and if you do have a cash drawer connected, you can have the cash drawer automatically open when a receipt is printed.